Thinking of starting a group home for youth? It's more than a business, it's a calling. Whether you want to support homeless teens, kids in foster care, or those facing instability, this guide will show you how to do it legally, safely, and with heart. Group homes provide a lifeline. They offer structure, care, and stability to young people who need it most. You won't just run a home, you'll change lives. But first, you've got to build it the right way. Form your business legally, LLC or nonprofit. Research your state's specific licensing requirements. Find a location that meets zoning and safety codes. And don't forget, if you'll offer health services, apply for a national provider identifier. Licensing is critical. It protects you legally and, more importantly, it ensures youth receive quality care. You'll need staff with the right training, a facility that passes inspection, and solid documentation. Your business plan, proof of insurance, staff qualifications, and policies. A state inspection is your final gateway. Pass it, and you're in. Once licensed, the journey doesn't stop. You must keep training your staff, stay compliant with changing laws, renew licenses, and keep thorough records. Inspections can happen anytime. Stay ready. Starting a group home is hard work, but it's also soul work, and you don't have to do it alone. Care Policy is here to help with licensing, documentation, and expert guidance every step of the way. Ready to build a future for youth who need you? Let's get started.